study. It's neural life. And we want to talk about something a little different, but the same. Alright, so we're talking about the arteries of the head and the neck region. Yeah, it's getting real interesting. Glad you're still here. I'm glad you decided to learn more and to go deeper. The more you know, the more you can grow. The more doors you open. The more doors you open, the greater the choices that you have. A lot of people don't have open doors. They don't have avenues to greatness such as this one. So I'm glad you decided to take this one. Alright, so good luck to you today. And everything that you have to endure, then do well in it. Alright, so the arteries of the head and neck region, they're derived from three major arteries. The subclavian artery in the neck, the external carotid artery from the common carotid artery in the neck, whose branches supply the face, cheek, nasal cavity, and oral cavity, and the internal carotid artery or carotid artery, also from the common carotid artery, that supplies the interior of the skull and orbit and the brain. Yeah. I'm going to read that once again to you. The arteries of the head and neck region are derived from three major arteries. The subclavian artery in the neck, the external carotid artery from the common carotid artery in the neck, whose branches supply the face, cheek, nasal cavity, and oral cavity, and the internal carotid artery, also from the common carotid artery, that supplies the interior of the skull, orbit, and the brain. Alright, so these are three major arteries: subclavian, external carotid artery, and the internal carotid artery. Alright, those both stem from one artery. Alright, may knowledge be increased unto you. May you excel and abound in everything you need to excel and abound in. And don't you ever forget that you're motherfucking good at whatever you want to be motherfucking good at. Listen, stop playing with this shit. Stop letting people walk all over you and tell you what you can and cannot do in this life. You can do anything in this life. You've already had several lives, so you might as well do the right thing in this one. I'm here to help you do that. Continue to grow, continue to learn, continue to stay humble, so that you can receive more, so that you can achieve more. The source has it for you in a good way. The source has it for everyone in a good way who endeavors to keep doing good. In the midst of hell, continue to expect heaven. Continue to create heaven. Design your heaven. You can do it. I believe in you.